Everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. Excuse the way I look. I've been cleaning all day long. I've cleaned top to bottom in the kitchen. Coming out on another video. So what we're going to make tonight is pepper steak. And I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay, we're going to make rice. This is basmati rice. Olive oil. We're going to make our own beef bouillon. We're going to make it with the better than beef, an onion, salt, bottom round steak. I do the sweet mini peppers because they don't go bad as fast, mushrooms, and garlic. Okay, my normal camera holder, or I should say my phone holder, broke. And Mr. Bob is trying to fix it, but you know how that goes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, I'm gonna flip y'all down. I'm gonna start cutting this stuff up.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to do our better than beef bouillon in 1 cup of water because we need 1 cup of broth. And so what I'm doing is I'm putting about a teaspoon in my water, in warm water that is. And then I'm going to proceed to cut up my carrots and my mushrooms and my onion. And then yeah, we're going to add that back to the bowl. I do wash everything, and then I do rewash my peppers after I descale them, de-seed them, whatever you want to call it.
Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. I'm still feeling lonely. Can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep. I thought this was over. Thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to do our bell peppers, our sweet peppers, and we're going to slice them thinly. And I used, it says green bell peppers, but I just used whatever I have here in the house, you know, because it'll be all good. That's all it is. And yes, and we are going to de-seed them. Well, right here, I'm taking the stems out of the mushrooms, the ones that I can get out, because I just really don't like the stems to cook down. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's a texture thing. I don't know. Or maybe it's because it tastes like dirt. We are going to slice up the mushrooms.
I don't wanna waste my time, don't wanna waste my mind. I wanna get off this ride, I wanna make it right. 이미 찢어진 맘, I'm ready to go, go low, go low. 이미 오래된 말, you left me alone, alone, alone. I don't hate you, but the way you just grip my heart, break my heart.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut our steak into thin pieces, and then we're going to cut those in half, and then we're going to fry them in a little bit of olive oil. And then once that is done, we're going to set those in aside and do our vegetables.
That's all I wanted. 코끼리야만 하냐고, 떠나야만 하냐고. 대답하기도 전에 아쉽지만 okay bye.
this is where you add your garlic and your salt.
I don't hate you, but the way you just grip my heart, break my heart, 날 무너지게 해. And you might be 여는 널 위한 데려가. 이젠 아까워. Oh, I never wanted what it is to be like this. I never wanted what it was to leave. All I ever wanted was to be myself. That's all I wanted.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take our meat out, let it set aside, and rest. Anyway, we are going to put our vegetables in here. We're going to add a little bit more salt. Once we're going to sweat them. What I mean about sweating them is we're going to put a lid on top of them and let them sweat to soften. This helps in the process. I don't like crunchy vegetables. If you do, that's fine. You can go by the recipe, but I don't like crunchy vegetables. So I sweat them down, and what I do is I just keep a watch on it so it doesn't, get, it doesn't burn. It'll caramelize but won't burn. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to add our beef back into the pan with the vegetables.
Maybe if I stay, maybe if I hold on a little longer, maybe if I stay, maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody.
Okay, so what we're going to do here, this is where we're going to add our better than beef bouillon. We're going to put that in there, and I think I do put a little bit of a teaspoon of starch in it, kind of thicken it up because it didn't caramelize enough. So anyway, that's what we're going to do here, and then we're going to let it cook down. Okay, yes, I did add some starch, and I added a teaspoon. I put it in the measuring cup so I could just kind of spread it around so it wouldn't clump in one spot, and it does thicken up, caramelizes the way I want it to. And then there it is, and our rice is done. And that, my friends, is dinner. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all try it. Quick and easy. And I'll put the ingredients and directions down in the bottom of this in the description. And we'll talk to you later. See you, bye.